So the fencing for the back and side will be the wire. It's cattle panel, but it's not. I don't know what you call this. So they got it rolled out and they're going to be strapping that in, stapling, whatever they do, I don't know. So I think that's 150 feet that they rolled out, and the other roll is down there, and that will take them all down that way up into the corner up there, and all the front is going to be solid wood. And seriously, right out of thin air, our missing workers come back. Where were they?
I quit.
Oh boy, we have a dispute. What did you do to him, Andy?
I think now just put some dots up.
Like a limestone cowboy.
We've got the wind chunks off, we can't get the winch off.
Watch that thing doesn't fall off on Matt's head. And you know what, Peggy? Lattice on the back part of the side, lattice up to the top.
Nice.
Front, we'll put this stuff. This side. It'll look good. Okay.
So you still have the top to trim off
Yep.
and nail the bottom boards.
Yep.
And then your what on top? Lattice?
Lattice.
Okay.
In a frame.
In a framed in lattice. Yeah, no coyotes getting in this yard.
No, they won't get in.
Clint braved the tick-infested swamps.
Let's use the tick. He gets ticked off at him.
So all this section is up. We just have the bottom boards to do and trimming the wire up off the top so he can put his framed lattice. And now they're working on this section to the front corner. And then the front is ordered. We're getting wood boards for that. All this is going to be for the dogs to play in. So half the wood was delivered yesterday for the front fence, and the other half is being delivered right now. So if the snow stays away for a little while, our fence will be up this week.
So I'm not going to put the gate here now. I'm going to put the gate here in this section because then it's 2 4-foot gates. Over here it would have been 2 6-foot gates, and I would have to get a wheel for it. So I'm just going to fill this in and make this the gate. This way it's straighter. the other way here to back a trailer in, I got a mound here. So it's better if I put the gate over there.
Almost done.
Almost.
Just gotta trim off the top, you said?
Yeah, I got to straighten the top. I got to find the lowest point. I think it's here, or one of them. Put a chalk line all the way along the whole thing, snap it, and cut it so it's all even. Okay. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, ding, 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 ding. And if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, please. And we'll see you in the next video.